So I'm Severin from Deving Zone. I'm building tools around various ecosystems, mainly Kujira. And so the idea was to have some real-time viewing of events going on the chain. Basically, the first idea was to subscribe to new blocks and then just getting the messages out and doing display stuff. Thanks. And then when doing this whole thing, I found out that if you just have a look at the messages, you don't actually see the whole picture because there is a lot of different contracts using Fin as well. For example, Calc or Manta router. So in the end, the decision was we should have a look at the WASM events level where you can actually see the trades going on. So then a few obstacles were these events. So yeah, in the end, there's a lot of stuff going on, especially on the event layer. And in the end, it was achieved that the Ruby on Rails app basically subscribed to a WebSocket for the new events. Then I filter only the one that are from Fin. And then the whole thing gets pushed to the user interface using the Ruby on Rails WebSocket libraries. And the whole thing is then displayed with React components. And one idea was to add some kind of sounds or to actually visualize the data, but that will be done later. So here is a short demo. This was like version 1, where it was just visualizing the blocks coming in. So you can see the number of transactions in one given block and how they come in. So this is basically just proving that the whole WebSockets thing works. Then the next thing was to actually see what are the WASM execution events on chain. So we may need to wait a few seconds. And now you can see all the different contracts coming in. So these are the WASM execution on the chain, which I also will deploy for other chain because there's a lot of chain which have CosmWasm. And it's quite cool to see all that stuff going on the lower level. And then the final output was tracking only the Fin events. So basically here you will see when somebody does a trade. For example, here you have somebody buying Luna with USK and there's a buy event. And then it decodes the contract. Here a few are missing because I need to reindex them to my site. But basically here you can see no matter if it's a calc like a DCA or if it's a multi-hop. So it's just the stuff going on the Kujira or the book market. Yeah, so that's basically it for the demo. And the next steps will be to add some more fun, like a little bit sound or visualization. So if there's a buy, the sound is a high or something like that. And then to really use that for other chain which have WASM as well. And for another thing I will be working on the next few weeks will be for the pilot sale, which is deployed on Kujira, to have a little bit more insights so you can actually see the price levels and the bids, because there will be quite a few launches in the next few weeks. So yeah, you can find me either in the GMC NFT community or on Twitter under deving.zone. And yeah, thanks a lot and cool, wasn't it?